Hi, I'm Belle, and today we're going to be cooking tortilla soup, traditional tortilla soup, which is a staple in Mexico, with my wonderful friend Carlos. He is a local chef here, and he will now tell us all of the ingredients that we'll be cooking with today.
Hello. Caroline, hello.
Okay, Carlos, what are the
Hola.
ingredients today?
Hola. You want chile guajillo?
And this is a spicy chili?
Little spicy.
Okay, little
spicy.
spicy.
Garlic,
Uh-huh.
avocado, onion.
Okay, and white onion is best?
Yeah.
Cebolla blanco?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cheese, this French cheese.
Okay, so this
This
is a
Yucatan,
fresh Mexican cheese?
Yeah.
And it's from the Yucatan?
Yeah.
And its name?
Yeah. This very good, very good. This for the soup.
Okay. And what is it called? Just queso fresco?
Queso fresco.
Just fresh
Queso
cheese?
French
Okay.
cheese. That's it. Tomatoes,
Okay.
sauce,
Tomato sauce.
cream,
Yum.
cilantro,
Beautiful fresh cilantro.
French tomatoes,
Perfect.
corn tortilla.
Wonderful. And these are made fresh today?
French fries.
Perfect.
Water and salt.
Okay, and that is all. And we already have the tomatoes washed and
Uh-huh.
everything. So you take out the seeds.
More spice.
Okay, to get rid of the spicy.
The onion.
So you just roughly chop it in big pieces. And this is all just whole. Whole chili, whole tomato, half a bunch of cilantro. So this is half a bunch of cilantro. It is half an onion, a white onion, 2 chilies, which are not spicy, seeds removed, 2 cloves of garlic, and say 2 libros.
2 kilos.
Okay, 2 kilograms of fresh tomatoes.
Yes.
And the water almost to the top.
The separate corn tortilla.
You gotta feel them.
Okay.
Cut in half, quarter. See,
Hey.
it's okay?
Okay.
Okay, we need to slice them thinly. Okay, and musk?
Okay. Okay. The new chef.
The new chef. Bienvenidos. Yay! You fry them in vegetable oil or any oil of your choosing. Perfectly crisp. Are they good?
They're good.
It was so good. No salt. No salt.
No salt. For the salt, for the soup.
Oh. ¿Tienes sal? Wow. And how long does the soup cook for? Will you cook until the skin is coming off? Yeah. That's the amount of done you want. Cream. So we just added cream. Oh, that looks delicious.
Tortilla.
Yes. Australia. Fresh tortilla chips. Oh my God, that's amazing. Oh, wow.
Chile. Guajillo. Tortilla soup. Chips, corn, tortilla. Too much. Okay. Sopa. Queso.
Fresh cheese, yes.
Cream. Guajillo. Chile guajillo. Aguacate. And cilantro. Tortilla soup.
Wow. Beautiful. How beautiful. Wow. What is under there? Oh my God.
This is incredible. Wow. Oh gosh, so creamy.